Hello students. Now we will explain about if function. If function is a logical function and generally checks a condition and returns one value if the condition is true and another value if it is false based on your requirement. And syntax is equal to if in bracket condition, comma value if true or value if false. Bracket complete, then you can press enter and then system will display required answer. Okay. Now here this is about the this is the mark sheet data of different students with roll number and subject various subjects for Marathi, English, Hindi, social science, science, mathematics. First we will find average and then we will find a result if passing if average is 40, then we will consider result is pass, otherwise fail. Okay. Now first we will find average. Okay. Select first I3 equal to sign AVE. Therefore, see the second option, average, double click on that and write the range of amongst the data, that is C3 to H3. C3, C3 colon H3, bracket complete and just press enter. Okay, you'll get the average. You can change, you can format this number, the format cell number, and you can take only integer or you can take 2 digits after decimal point. Format cell number, and if you select here 2, then you will get the answer with 2 decimal. Okay. Now uh, our aim is to find out the result. Suppose criteria is suppose average is less than greater than or equal to 40, therefore we will consider pass, otherwise fail. Now see, double click, will type condition using if function. If, double click on that, if our condition is if average is greater than or equal to, what, 40, then we will consider pass, PASS, double quotation marks, otherwise we will consider as a fail, double quotation mark. Okay. Then type this and just press enter. Okay. Therefore see, roll number 1 is pass, but in for roll number 104, the average is 35.550, therefore system will display fail, because our condition is if average, that is I column, is less than greater than or equal to 40, then we will consider a pass, otherwise fail. Okay. And this is about the logical function if. Now we will see some if. Okay. First type this data, SUMIF function, row number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. B is about marks. Here I will take marks. Okay. I will take one more insert. Paste subjects. I will select this and select take. Now our aim is to find out the answer using SUMIF. Okay. SUMIF function adds value based on a condition. That is, syntax is equal to sum if in bracket criteria range, criteria and sum range. Okay. Suppose here subject column, here A column represents subject and B represents marks of 10 with respect to that subject. Okay. And if you want to find out the marks only for science subject, therefore see how to find out the marks only of science subject. Okay. Dear student, suppose if you want to find out the marks in E2, therefore equal to, then we will write sum SUM. System will display different types of built-in function. SUMIF in the bracket, please type criteria. That is the criteria range, and for subject criteria range is A3 to A12. You can select also this. Okay. Then our aim is to find only marks for science, therefore double quotation marks, CIENC science mark, double quotation mark complete, and some range is from again B3 to B12, bracket complete, and just press enter. Therefore system will display only the marks, addition of marks of for science, that is 69 plus 71 plus 72 plus 73. See, 285. Okay, and this is your answer. And this is the use of SUMIF function, which is the conditional function. Okay, thank you so much.